Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is part 2 of Learning Express. If you weren't at part 1, I went to Learning Express and I'm showing you everything I got, but in this video you'll see whatever I got because I'm going to unbox with these scissors. So, yeah, let's get started. So, I don't need to unbox these, this hot dog. I don't need to unbox it. I also don't need to unbox this, but I'm going to cut the tag off. Cut. There we go. I like this thing. Pop. Then I got something similar to that. I don't even know what it is, but we're gonna find out. Let's see. It might be the same thing. I'm not sure what this thing is. Okay, so I think you're supposed to like open it, and there's like, look, there's like baby sloths in here. Oh my gosh, look, so in this thing, there's like these cute, there's this sloth, and this other, they're kind of like squishy sloths. I didn't really know what it was, but there is, and yeah, and then this thing is squishy, and when you open it, you have like, something in there. So, yeah, I guess so. I don't know what that was, but yeah. And then I got a jumbo mochi, which I'm really excited about, so let's open this. Guys, it's so big. It's so stretchy. I love this. It's super soft. Oh yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, ring that notification bell, because I try to do these fun videos with you guys. And I just really want you to support my channel because it's not going well right now. I only have 60 subscribers. Subscribers, not subscribers. Whatever. So, yeah, so please help out my channel. Okay, next I got this zipper bracelet, but like I don't have to unwrap it, but like it's super nice and I love it. I got 2 of these. I got a black and red one, and then I got a blue and red one. So. Then I got 2 pop tubes. So yeah. Green and yellow, because I don't have those colors. Okay, then I got a marble mesh. So. Okay, so I also got something for my friend. Where is it? Oh. Yeah, I got this for my friend, and I got a bunch of things for my friend's birthday. She's gonna love them. And I also got this other sand one, which I'm about to open right now. God, these things feel super nice. And then I got this unicorn one for my friend Cameron. So, yeah. And I like this one. This one's nice. So, next I got... Oh yeah, I did get 2... Simple Dimples. I'm super happy about this. I got a green and purple and a green and blue. And these have the logo on it, if you can't tell. And I'm just going to take the little tag thingies off, but I can rip those off, so. Actually, you know what? I might need scissors for this one. That's okay. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get tag off. I'm super sorry guys. Also, my friend named Zoe, she's helping support my channel by watching a lot of my videos and liking, and she subscribed to my channel. So try to do that, please. If you want to, if you can, you don't have to. Just need to wanna support my channel. So. This is almost all off. Sorry about this. There we go. Second one. Yeah, this one's still the same old bad luck. Okay, so this one was quicker to get off, but got this one off, and I love it. Okay, next I got a pea popper. So I want to I'll open this now, and then, boop. This is very easy. So, yeah. Okay, now I really want to open my two big dimples. This one's a simple dimple with the fruit, and this one's also simple, but with the pink. And it's just a regular. Oh, the pink one feels really good. It's just like, it's kind of not as good as these, but it's still really good. I still love them. So, and then the 3 one. This 3 one feels so good. But it's not as good as the 2 ones, as I said before. So yeah. Next, I got 2 snappers, but I'll open them after. 2 like Neatos, and I really want to open up the Tangles. So let's open up these. First, I got a red and black pen. I love these. Could also take them apart. It's really long. But I like them normal and together. How do you put this back together? Oh, you just like snap it back on. Yes, I love this thing. I do have 2 tangles. One is, they're both very small, and this one's big. And then I have this one. Oh, you can literally just take it off. I was cutting it. And I got a red, yellow, and black one, and they're originals. Ooh, I like these. I love these tangles. I should have got more of these ones. These are only a couple bucks. Okay, next we're gonna open the snapper. Open one of them. Let's take turns. I already have a snapper, but this one's super nice and easy to squish, and I love it. Okay, now we're gonna open the glow-in-the-dark. Actually, no, let's open the snowball one. Oh, it looks so cute. It feels so good. Because like, super crunchy. Look at I love this. And then I got the Nido. Oh, that was And then lastly, I got this glow in the dark. Let's see. Oh, it's glow in the dark. And it feels super good. I'm going to go shut off the light. Guys, it's glowing. I don't know if you can see. Here, let me shut off all the lights. Guys, it's glowing in the dark. I don't know if you can tell. If you get it close. Here, I'll shut all of the lights. Okay. My whole room is shut. But it's glowing in the dark. I don't know if you guys can see. It's hard to see on camera. Oh, there we go. It's glowing. So, yeah, put that over there. Okay. But now he found out that, oh, this is not one. Now he found out that this is glowing. So let me just go through. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, so these are all the new fidgets I got. Snowball Stress Ball, Glow in the Dark Neato, these 2 pop tubes, 2 more simple dimples, this one, 2 tangles. I love these tangles. We got 2 of literally everything. 2 snappers, 2 of these weird things, fake ones, 2 zipper bracelets, 2 of these ones. We got one of these, but this one's for my friend. One of these, 1 marble mesh, and basically 2 of these. We got this one and this slug. So these are all the brand new fidgets. And I love these so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that bell, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Love you. So many fidgets. Bye.